And we're after variety of the big shapes. So in other words, if I move this butte over, I don't want to cut this right in half with the butte, like have the butte come down right in the middle of the painting. So we offset it. I want more butte than sky. Okay, we can have some sky in there, but I don't want them to be equal. The butte's got to dominate. All right. All right. So let's darken up that cut bank some more. Let's try Venetian red. And I'm going to go with this Venetian red and cerulean. That's going to be really dark. Let's add just a touch of white and ochre to that. Both of those will lighten the value a bit. White's going to cool it. We don't want to cool it too much. Ochre, which is a lighter value, will keep it from getting too cool. So just a touch more Venetian. Now, something overall is happening with this cliff. It kind of cuts into two different planes, if you will. This plane over here faces more toward the sun, so it's picking up more light, and then it's kind of like it does a little bit of a turn right here and turns more away from the sun. So this area here is not picking up any of these highlights. All right, this is all in shadow. The darker you make these little crevices, the lighter it's going to make this area up here. So if you go real dark with these crevices, it's going to make, you know, that these colors and things like that pop out. You might want that, but you don't want it too much. You go fairly thick with those darks right in there. I don't want to get too chaotic with this water and with this stream, because it could take away from the main focal point, which is up here. So the more busy stuff I put down here, the more risk I am of drawing attention away from the butte. And I think my shoreline is getting a bit too busy. Break this up a little bit in here. And right in here we have these branches showing through. It's usually going to be dark around there, because the branches can only show through where there's holes looking into the inside the mass of foliage, which is not going to give as much light. Okay, I'm going to go with a warmer tone. I'm going to take some burnt sienna, orange, kind of mix it off to the side. And use that to balance out the green. I add a bit more white, just a touch of ultramarine to this, because I might be getting a bit too on the warm green side. So I look at my field study, I do see almost a hint almost a hint of like a lavender in here.